In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a task in ClickUp. We'll walk through the entire process from your main workspace view all the way to saving a fully configured task so you can manage your work more efficiently and keep your team aligned. First, start by opening your ClickUp workspace overview. This is the main area you see when you log into ClickUp, where all your spaces, folders, and lists are organized. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and space where you actually want this task to live, so it doesn't get lost in the wrong project. Next, switch to the list view. At the top of your screen, you should see different view options like board, list, or others depending on your setup. Click on List. This view is especially helpful for creating and managing tasks in a structured spreadsheet-like layout, which makes it easy to see task names, assignees, dates, and more at a glance. Now, look for the option that says Add Task. This is usually found near the top or bottom of the list. Click on Add Task, and a new row or small window will appear where you can type the task name. Give your task a clear, descriptive title. For example, instead of Update, you could say Update Marketing Report for Q2. A good task name helps everyone immediately understand what needs to be done. Once you've named your task, you'll want to assign it to a team member. Find the small people or user icon next to the task. Click on this icon to open the assignee menu. You'll see a list of members who are part of this workspace or list. Click on the name of the person you want to assign the task to. Assigning an owner makes the responsibility clear and helps with accountability. After assigning the task, set a due date. Look for the area that shows a calendar or says Set Due Date. Click on it to open the date picker. Then click on the specific date you want this task to be completed by. Choosing realistic due dates helps you and your team plan workload and priorities effectively. If you want to configure the task further, click directly on the task name to open the full task view. Here, you can add details like a description, checklists, attachments, comments, or custom fields, depending on how your ClickUp is set up. This is optional, but it's a great way to provide context and instructions. When you're done, make sure you click Save. This confirms all your changes, including the name, assignee, due date, and any extra details you added. Your new task is now fully created and ready to be worked on.